In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add payment card on Google Chrome desktop. To get started, open Google Chrome on your desktop computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three vertical dots. This opens the main Chrome menu, where you can access the browser settings and other options. From that drop-down menu, click Settings. This will take you to the Chrome settings page, where you can manage how the browser handles saved information like passwords, addresses, and payment details. On the left-hand side, you will see a menu with different settings categories. Find and click Autofill and Passwords. After that, select Payment Methods. This section is where Chrome stores card information for faster checkout on supported websites. If you use Chrome to autofill payment details, this is the place where you can add and manage your cards. Next, look for the Add button next to Payment Methods and click it. A form will appear where you can enter your card information. Carefully type in your card number, then enter the expiration date and the CVC code exactly as shown on your card. After you have filled in the card details, click Save. Chrome will then store the card information in your payment method settings. Once saved, the card may be available as an autofill option when you check out on websites that support Chrome autofill. That is all there is to it.